In this video, we are going to learn how to subtract two single-digit numbers. We need to understand what subtract means. When you subtract two numbers, you are taking away one number from another. So to subtract means to take away. So in our example here, our directions are to subtract. 5 minus 3 equals what number? So in this example, with our 5 and our 3, we are subtracting or taking away 3 from 5. This symbol here in between the 5 and the 3, the little dash symbol, in front of the 3 here is a special math symbol which tells us that we are subtracting or taking away 3 from 5. This symbol here, this little dash, is read as the word minus. So we would read this problem as 5 minus 3. You need to pay special attention to the symbol in between your numbers to make sure and see if the problem is asking you to subtract or to add. In this example, we have the directions of subtract, and so we know that we need to take away. But sometimes you won't have a word there like subtract. You'll simply have your two numbers, and then you need to look carefully at this symbol in between, and if it's a dash like this, it tells you that we are going to take away 3 from 5. So let's see what the answer to this problem is. First, we know that we're starting out with 5 items. So I'm just going to draw 5 circles here to show that we're starting out with 5 things. We can think of them as 5 basketballs, for example. So we have 5 and we need to take away or subtract 3. So I'm just going to cross out 3 of them. We've taken these 3 basketballs away and we have subtracted them. And how many are we left with? How many do we still have? We still have 2. So the answer here to my problem of 5 minus 3, or 5 take away 3, is 2. Subtraction is best explained using word problems. Let's look at this example. It says here that 8 people are in a pool. After 6 people get out of the pool, how many are left in the pool? If you read this question carefully, you can see that the number of people in the pool is going to become less, or is going to decrease. Anytime the answer is decreasing in value, it is a subtraction problem. On the other hand, when the answer seems to increase in value, it is an addition problem. In this case, the number of people remaining in the pool will be less than 8, because 6 people have already left the pool. So this is a subtraction or difference problem. To find the answer, we will need to subtract or take away the people who got out of the pool from the people who were in the pool initially. Since 6 people got out and there were 8 people at first in the pool, we will need to subtract 6 from 8. When we do this, we say 8 minus 6, and we can write it as 8 minus 6 equals what number? The larger number goes first. We started with the 8 people in the pool, and then it's followed by our subtraction sign, which is this small horizontal line, this little dash in between. And then it's followed by the smaller number, the number that we're going to take away from our initial number. Now, if we visualize this problem, we can count objects to help us find a solution. So I'm going to draw 8 people in a pool. Let's see, we'll have our pool here, and you can just imagine that this is a pool, and we're going to have 8 people starting out in this pool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. And I'll just draw my little stick figures here. We'll pretend that they're all standing in the pool. They're all playing in the pool. And at this point they're standing because 6 of them are going to climb out. So we start with our 8, but then 6 people get out of the pool. So now I'm going to draw over here on the dry ground the 6 people who got out, and we'll take them out of the pool one by one. So first, this person gets out and is out of the pool. This person is now gone. Not in the pool, out of the pool. So we need 6 of these. This is our second person who's now out of the pool and on dry ground. And our third person and fourth person got out of the pool. We'll erase them from the pool. And then we've got a 5th person over here out of the pool. Erase them from there. And finally, we've got 6 people who have gotten out of the pool. So we started with 8 in the pool here. And now 6 of the people have gotten out of the pool. And now all we need to do is count how many remain in the pool to find the answer to our problem. So we count these remaining people in the pool, and we can see that we have 1, 2 of them. So with 6 of the 8 out, we only have 2 remaining in the pool. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Now I do want to, before I report my final answer, I do want to put a label on this so that we know that we're talking about people. So I'm going to say that we have 2 people as our answer. And you can see that our result is smaller than 8. Because we started with 8 and we took 6 away. And so our answer is smaller than what we started with. 8 people are in a pool. After 6 people get out of the pool, how many are left in the pool? Our problem became 8 minus 6 equals 2, and our answer to the problem is 2 people.